In this part 4, you are going to develop your trading strategy and analyze the outputs. That's the last step before backtesting. In order to do so, in this Trading Analytics Project Challenge, you will have to implement the Bollinger Band that we have seen during the class with Sami, how to implement it in Python. But what you're gonna have to do here is to use it in order to define at which moment you have to buy or sell Netflix shares. Okay, I wish you good works and let's start with the presentation. The first step that you're gonna have to do is to define your middle band, upper band and lower band. You need two information. The first one is we are going to use 20 days rolling period concerning the middle band. For the upper band, that's going to be 20 days plus 1.96 standard deviation. STD. And concerning the lower band, that's going to be 20 days minus 1.96 STD. You can use 2 as well, but for my case, I used 1.96 STD in order to be even more precise. Okay, once you define your middle, upper and lower band, you will have to check out that your data have been updated by printing Netflix data table. And once everything is good, you will have to draw this map. And on this graph, what you're gonna have to define is what is and what are your trading signals. For instance, here you have to buy and here you have to sell. You will have to answer these two questions. During the period between the 15th of March 2020 and the 13th of June, what are the buying signals and the selling signals? Good work and see you in the solution part.